1891 war heroes. Seven suspected Rohingyas nabbed on Indo-Myanmar border. And anti-illegal migrant special unit in every district of Manipur soon. Good evening, you're watching Tom English News. I'm Loving Rimai with you. Now let's have the news in details. People of Manipur today observed Patriots' Day to remember all those patriots who laid down their lives gracefully for the cause of Manipuri nation, challenging the mighty British Empire. On the occasion, Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren stated that life without sense of patriotism is meaningless. Speaking at the 128th Patriots' Day observance held today at Kangla, organized by the state government, N. Biren further urged that we should not forget the spirit of patriotism and supreme sacrifices made by the brave sons who laid down their lives to save the motherland from the clutches of the British. Pursuing their footsteps and paying fitting tribute to the heroes is the right way to show our respect to them.
Mi emoina Manipuri zati emoina Maribang nungsibagi wakhalon leitragadi Maribang mazati kaningbagi natraga ngakningbagi natraga nungsibagi wakhalon leitragadi koi mi emoina koi na hingubagi madu poklobagi artha leitiana lawi aduna maribang mazati nungsiba bis chinna ngakta yaroi thabakna makhoi na tawkhiba satkiba lambidugi khongul linena bahona baduna achouba makhoi bu ikai khumdabadu asengba utpo oina thokani aduna ngasi leiriba praja puna mangna thawai kat khaba thobusing na satkiba lambiduda zati sigi mingcha thamdaba aga british ki adugu masaw khaba force gi mayokta maithirani khangna thengna ki badung ma spirit adugu mathauna do aikhoi punamangna leifam thoi haiba sigi message ma gai pijani se mingoina panjarabada Beauty Kendrajit, Pauna Bajabasi, Tangal General, Haidiba Makoi Karaduna Katoklamba, Dunangasi Manipurda, Ekogi Pidama, Laibolo in a Pitribida, Miam the Kubusakangibani.
Cabinet ministers, MLAs and government top police officials took part in the program. Chief Minister N. Biren, along with his cabinet colleagues, also paid floral tributes at Hicham Yaicham Park located at Yai School Moirangkhom and also observed a 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to Bir Tikendrajit. Floral tributes were also paid at the memorial site of Tangal General at Palace Gate by observing a 2-minute silence. Bir Tikendrajit, Crown Prince of Manipur, and Tangal General were hanged by the British in 1891 following Manipur's defeat at the hands of the British in the Anglo-Manipuri War of 1891. They were hanged on August 13, 1891 on the charge of waging war against the British following Manipur's defeat to the British forces. Since then, the day is observed as the Patriots' Day every year in Manipur. Manipur Congress Legislature Party leader O. Ibobi stated that everyone must recall the sense of nationalism possessed by the patriots who fought against the British during Anglo-Manipuri War of 1891. Speaking at the 128th Patriots' Day observance at Congress Bhawan, BT Road, the three-time former Chief Minister O. Ibobi further stated that the day is observed as a mark of respect to the martyrs, especially Yuvraj Bir Tikendrajit and Tangal General. He underlined the need for today's generation to remember their heroism.
si tawduna hatkiba numit asibu koi party na Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na sinjaduna laikhidraba adugumba Mahapur Singh Petro Singh Mamalai Bakidamtuda Mathwai Balidan nokna party sagai ka kiba adugumba athauba singdugi mafamdani akoina ngak nondana angamba hai manam to su lei manam to su katchadana koi ikai khumnaba uchari base aduna koi party na koi atai program mayam su ngasi mak ngamdraga su matungda sigumba mama leibak kidamukta mathwai kathokraba athauba singdugi mafamda koi sanman utpayaba aduda natana atai tawba yaba kayamu amasu tungda horkadoriba koigi future generation koigi tungda horkadoba sai now sing mayam punamoksina masi kaubham thokte haibase koi khanghanana ba haiduna party na sugumba masigi program masi sinjebani.
President of Manipur Congress Committee, Gai Khangam, party workers, MLAs, former MLAs, workers of different cells and members took part in the program. O Ibobi, Gai Khangam and others paid floral tributes to the photographs of Bir Tikendrajit and Thangal General on the occasion. Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangha RSS Imphal Zila observed the Patriots Day at Lamjingbatomtv Palace Compound in Imphal East, paying floral tributes to the photographs of martyrs who laid down their lives in Anglo-Manipuri War, and presentation of patriotic songs were the main highlights of the function. Today's observation was attended by Chairman of MPSC, retired Lieutenant General L. Nishikanta, former Dean of Manipur University, Professor W. Nabakumar and K.H. Rajan of Manipur Prant Karyawaha. Assam Rifles arrested 7 suspected Rohingya Muslims from Myanmar along with 1 person allegedly involved in trafficking them last night. As per reports, the arrested Myanmar Muslims were trying to enter Myanmar from Moray in Manipur's Tengnopal district by using fake Indian voter and Aadhaar cards. As per reports, they arrived in Moray town from different states of India. They were later handed over to Moray police station for further investigation. The state police will set up anti-illegal migrant special unit in every district of Manipur to keep a check on inflow of illegal migrants into the state via different routes on the border. This was stated in a press release from Director General of Police L.M. Kaute. The press release also mentioned that the special cell will comprise of 15 to 20 personnel under the Additional Superintendent of Police or Deputy Superintendent of Police. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee President Gai Khangam claimed that Jammu and Kashmir will not exist without Article 370 recently scrapped by the Modi government at the centre. He stated this while talking to reporters at the Congress Bhavan in Imphal. He expressed dismay over what he termed elated at scrapping of Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir by some national political parties. He asked the ruling BJP in Manipur if they would welcome Article 370 with open arms in case the state is downgraded to the status of a union territory. The former Deputy Chief Minister was talking to the media on the sidelines of a function at Congress Bhavan.
Karina kari lere habigi madugi langla se puthokpangam dabadon to base mas igunu akoi Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee gidi hana so ko dana phamdana khotana ko condemn to jakhre ade masi achumaran jam tuna thok kana to aranba adugumba mi do according to the law of the land when the people talk about the PBU handak Jammu and Kashmir that tauriba ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯚꯦꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯃꯣꯂꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯝꯖꯗꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯟ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯂꯧꯖꯩꯑꯕꯀꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯆꯨꯝ ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯣꯟꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯅꯔꯁꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯀꯜ 370 ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯉꯩ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯗꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯕ ꯖꯃꯨ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯀꯥꯁꯃꯤꯔꯁꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯗꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏꯑꯕ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯇꯦꯔꯤꯇꯣꯔꯤꯗ ꯍꯟꯊꯍꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯐꯥꯎꯍꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯝꯖꯗꯕ ꯑꯄꯤꯛꯄ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯐꯥꯎꯍꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯂꯦꯟꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯄꯨꯔꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯔꯨꯅꯥꯆꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯦꯁꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯘꯥꯂꯌꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ
Let's take a short commercial break, but coming up, cyclist Philam Rohan feted.
Gitam University Visakhapatnamda BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital leizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to fourth year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility BSc class 12 pass physics, chemistry, biology and English 60% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tobiba yagani. Subnataki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tobirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 60090622261 natraga 87940262277.
Aina aigi pusigi leminagadaba nupa khanbadine ai sage pamani
mafamse nupa sobam nate
ai icha nupi busu mangan gena khan
ai nang nuksi
ai di nang nuksi de
Welcome back. Former MLA of Moirang constituency, Mairembam Prithviraj Singh, felicitated cyclist Philam Rohan, who recently completed a solo cycle tour from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, conveying a message on water for life today at St. Xavier's School, Moirang. Today's event was held to mark the 128th Patriots Day and also to launch an official website of the school. Meanwhile, the Joint Students Coordination Committee (JSCC) has strongly condemned Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangha (RSS) over placing an image of Bharat Mata in between the photographs of martyred heroes of the state during the 128th Patriots Day observance held at lamjingbatomtv today. In this regard, a press meet was held at the office of Manipuri Students Federation at Kwakaitel. Convener of JSCC, Peter Laishram, accused RSS of trying to misconstrue the history of Manipur. He demanded RSS to clarify the matter at the earliest possible, while warning that failure to fulfill the demand will compel the committee to ban the party from organizing any historical related state function in days to come. On the other hand, JSCC lauded all educational institutions across the state for observing Patriots Day today.
Patriots Day observation Pangthok Nixing Thorom Pangthok Pasida RSS Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangha Hariba Asina RSS Asina Lamyanba Sanglenda Dugumloba Atauba Singi Numit Patriots Day Sibu Pangthok Liba Sida Puariga Manipur Puariga Yam Lan Ugiya Mongda Dugumloba Pangthok Liba Sia Asi Yam Akanba Mongda JSCC Kandem Tawi Aduga Hariba Sigumloba Lebak Miam the Lan Uhan Bayana Pangthokiba Sigumloba Venerda Athoba Sing photo Hapsala Hapsan Ba Aduga Athoba Singi Hakalika Tambada Bharat Mata photo Hapsan Dana Kotana Dumaya Torga Lebak Miam the Lan Ubiamung the Siliba Sa Sil Lebak Miam the Singi Langi खुदिमक लांजरे हाइना संदोरकदवनी अदुगा मणिपुरगी पुवारीगा मरी लेना पांथोकपा निंगसिंग थोरम खुदिमकता RSS ना मखातना यावब यारोय JC ना अथिंग थमले हाबसी मीडिया थोंदा थमजरी
10th Meritorious Award Distribution and Patriots Day Observation was organized by Hengang United Club Organization at Hengang Awang Lekai today. Minister of PHED Printing and AMP Stationery L. Diko, Adhaksha of Imphal East Zila Parishad P. Bimola and Director of Tourism Department W. Ibohal Singh were present at the occasion. Awards were distributed to the meritorious students and also paid floral tributes to the patriots. A tree plantation program was held to mark the occasion. Advanced Learner English School Heitu Pokpi of Hayrok Part 1 and Ningol Club Hayrok jointly observed 128 Patriots Day at the school campus today. During the function, Youth Coordinator of Nehru Yuba Kendra Thobal, Michael Thangmilen Mate, said that the youth needs to understand what nationalism is. He expressed disappointment over youth turning to drug use. Principal of Advanced Learner English School, Maibam Jugeshwar, Youth Coordinator of Nehru Yuba Kendra Thobal, Michael Thangmilen Mate, and former President of Ningol Club Hayrok attended the function. As part of the event, a poem recitation competition was also held and gifts were also distributed to more than 80 students. The 128th Patriots Day observance was held at the Counting Hall of DC Complex, District Headquarters, Thobal today. Adhaksha of Thobal Zila Parishad, Hasina Begum, District Commissioner of Thobal and Bandana, Chairperson of Thobal Municipal Council, T.H. Shyamo, and Superintendent of Police Thobal, Dr. S. Ibomcha, attended the function as Chief Guest, President, and Guests of Honor, respectively. Floral tributes were paid to the portraits of Bir Tikan Rajit and Thangal General at the occasion. The 128th Patriots Day observance was also held at MMRC and Unity Park at Khangabok, Thobal District today. The function was jointly organized by KM Blooming Higher Secondary School, Khangabok Blooming Foundation, Khangabok and Empowerment Organization of Youths Khangabok. Social worker and chairman of Blooming Foundation, K.H. Menjer Mangang, and several others played floral tributes to the statues of Bir Tikan Rajit and Thangal General at MMRC Park. Addressing the gathering, K.H. Menjer stressed on the significance of the day. A blood donation camp was also organized by Thobal Unit of Association of Voluntary Blood Donors and District Health Society to mark the event.
Koina like Hidraba, Mapan Kangjibung the Parchito Hakiba, the Kendrajit, Amasung, Tangal General, and even Buena. Isida, Romsiga Marie Lenana, E. Dan Tobogi, Romon Sukuna, Pantopsari, Minolena, Kongang Sidesida, Social Service Toduna, Amopalam to Sandopugi, Tabuk Amasuk Jeri.
District Administration Bishnupur organized Patriots Day observation at Panchayat Resource Center Bishnupur today. Floral tributes were paid to Bir Tikan Rajit, Thangal General, and other brave hearts who made supreme sacrifice for the freedom of Manipur during Anglo-Manipuri War of 1891. At the event, Deputy Commissioner of Bishnupur District, Nita Arambam, said that we feel proud that we are the offsprings of the brave sons. Section Officer Hobson Sapa, Additional Superintendent of Police, Law and Order, Luikam Lamio, Additional Superintendent of Police Operations, Kshatriya Maniha, other top police and civil officials, and representatives of several private establishments attended the program. All Assam Pradesh Manipuri Association Hojai Apunba Problem Marup Ima Kaitel Lairembi Lup, All Assam Manipuri Students Union, Hojai District Committee and Dakin Hojai High School jointly observed the 128th Patriots Day at the memorial site of Bir Tikan Rajit at Hojai, Assam. As a part of the observance, the participants took out a procession across the town.
hariba sigi nuya si akogi mitai akogi tabata amaram da haga laiba kibanu mini ati ima lepapu amosi jatibu nungsiba adumba akogi athauba bi tekendidi hoyana thangal tenen ibdo thangal tenen asite singba British ai imalaiba ningbagi tamata jamutawaina wathapi khraba nuya duni akogi hari bhar nusi mitasi ukoina tei khudigi nichingdana kuda wathawa singba koina palon tawgabani.
A felicitation program for meritorious students and other individuals was held at Dimdailong Youth Club, Sanjantong, Imphal East today. The program was organized with an objective to encourage students and other individuals of Dimdailong who have done great in their respective fields. More than 20 achievers in different fields of studies and profession were felicitated at the function. President of Dimdailong Youth Club, Professor Angam Gangmai, congratulated the successful persons, adding that hard work is the key to success. He also urged every students and individuals to work harder in order to achieve greater success in life.
You sir for coming and
Khoi senior doctor ama chief medical officer phangba yaujare None district ki MPSC ki combined exam da junior MCS phangba yaujare adudigina Manipuri University na loba BA exam da first position English honors da loba amasung 7 position loba yaujare sumai tawdana madudigi thoidok hendok na aikhoi metric thabada class 12 gi da amasung sport fields da mayam asi makok thongna prize makhan makhan lawrak pangami aduna masigumba mayam se khoi club na thogat le hairaga mathang da su hena mingchat amasung Dimdailong Youth Club ki mapana amasung mokhoi gi mapana aikhoi afaba sanaroi amasung afaba mioi oina bahaidana khoi mokhoibu thagatbagi amasung moibu felicitate over program jeng asi paikhatjabane.
First Foundation Day of Senior Citizens Society of Khundrakpam constituency was organized at Sambai Community Hall. Director of Social Welfare Department S. Sarat Kumar, President of the Society K.H. Rajendra Singh, Advisor Konsam Tomba and Irungbam Mani Singh attended the function. The society, comprising of persons above 60 years of age from Khundrakpam constituency, hopes to open an all-age home in near future. Speaking at the function, convener of the society, Dr. Shatrimayum Kala Singh, said that the society was set up to provide happiness to the elderly persons. To mark the Patriots' Day, they also paid floral tributes to the photos of the patriots during the function.
마이게데기 마야 모코이나 하나나 다가자리 람담시다 아와나 따라봐 아마디 휴가 레르버 람담시다 시내시티는 마야미나 마망 다라가 마야암게 아와바 마팅 빵이 아마디 버자징은 파나바 동니 사콧부기 람벤다 포럭뽕 암나바 마탐지부 호나냐 실랑 돌리지리.
Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, Manipur K. Sarat Kumar inaugurated a Juribam Green Mission under Green Revolution. The Green Mission is initiated by Friendly Environmental Warriors Juribam. President of Friendly Environmental Warriors K. Puna Singh, DFO Juribam CH Ibomcha and others attended the function. Vice President of FEW Y Ibomcha said that the group was formed by educated youths to make Juribam green and fight global warming. He sought support of the masses in making Juri Green Mission a success.
Hanba Horumwediba Sida Jiri Green Mission Autukle Hydra Yagnam Mayam the Kanganjari Sina Nasi Hotoiba Program Sina Makata Nadum Sangsindana Diribamda Asang Badiribam Mama Waina Honabada Lalak Pidiba Punamak Madiman Diribam Prajapanamuna Timbang Hydna Amukan Christian.
We are heading to another short commercial break, but coming up, 10 MLAs of Sikkim Democratic Front joined BJP in Sikkim.
Welcome to SRM IST Delhi NCR Campus Ghaziabad, India's most trusted educational institute. Be a part of success and let's go ahead.
11. India's favorite salon and spa, now at Imphal. Our services are haircut, hair straightening, global color, body spa, hair spa, waxing, threading, facial and treatment, hand and feet care, makeup. Body massage. Studio 11, Salon and Spa Imphal. Look fabulous. Fitness World Building, Singzamai Mathak Jongtham Lekai, Imphal West. Phone number 0385 2440164.
Welcome back. In a big boost for the BJP, 10 MLAs of the Sikkim Democratic Front (SDF) party joined lead the Saffron Party in New Delhi today. The 10 MLAs of the SDF joined the BJP in presence of party's working president JP Nadda and BJP General Secretary Ram Madhav. The development comes as a warning sign for SDF Chief Pawan Kumar Chamling, who had served as the Chief Minister of Sikkim for last 25 years. Chamling is one of the longest serving Chief Ministers of Sikkim and also of India. The SDF was defeated by the Sikkim Krantikara Morcha (SKM) in the State Assembly elections this year. PS Golay-led SKM party won 17 of the 32 seats of the State Assembly in the election and came to power. Breaking all previous records, a kilogram of Decom Golden Butterfly Tea of Decom Tea Estate of Roselle Tea Industries was sold for Rs 75,000 at the Guwahati Tea Auction Center (GTAC) on today. It is claimed to be as the highest price ever paid for tea in a public auction. It was sold through GTAC broker by J. Thomas and Amp Company Private Limited in GTAC sale number 33. In the recent past, the Golden Tips tea from Maijan Garden of Assam Company Limited set a world record on July 31st last after it was auctioned at Rs 70,501 per kg. The Mudra Tea Company of Guwahati purchased the tea at the record price and will be shared between their client Steven Plaza from Belgium and Nama Marketing, a Guwahati-based online tea store. The tea was sold by Parkan India Private Limited, the second largest tea auctioneer in Northeast India. 3 days after National Liberation Front of Tripura (NLFT) signed a memorandum of settlement with the centre and the state government, 88 members of the banned insurgent group of Tripura laid down their arms in the presence of Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev today. According to reports, 88 NLFT cadres surrendered, and we hope that they will live a normal life like others and think for the betterment of their families and people of Tripura with cooperation of the government, Dev said. The former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, whose tenure as Rajya Sabha MP ended in June, filed his nomination as Congress candidate for the by-election to the upper house of Parliament from Rajasthan today. The by-election was necessitated after the seat fell vacant on June 24 following the death of state BJP President Madan Lal Saini, who was elected last year according to reports. The Consulate General of India at Hong Kong has advised Indian travelers to make alternative travel plans to avoid inconvenience while traveling in the region. As per a report, this is the first travel advisory that the mission has issued since protests broke out against a proposed extradition law that will make it easier for Beijing to get arrested persons from Hong Kong. Now let's go through some of the local daily newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Political hue given to death of schoolgirl. Free detain versions or will stay away from Independence Day celebrations, says Joy Kishan. BJP Vice President decries misinformation campaign by Joy Kishan. CVI files FIR. 2.6 lakh kilogram rice stolen using scooters, bikes. Tribal bodies condemn Bevishna's death. The People's Chronicle. CVI files FIR to trace rice stolen in 2016. MLA Joy Kishan to skip Independence Day. accused of misleading public. JSC rejects SIT report. Sit-ins, hunger strike continue. Imphal Free Press. MLA Joy Kishan says he will not take part in Independence Day celebrations unless arrested persons are released. Draft new education policy GNEP 2019 emphasizes more on privatization. Stop harassing family of victim, says JSC. The Morning Bell. AISF Manipur observes 83rd Foundation Day. Students, institutions suffering due to wrong policies of government, says CPI. Babysana's dead case. Government not protecting anyone but should be given time for investigation, says Jotin Wycombe. International Youth Day observed. Titular Lesembasana Jauba MPP lays stress on the importance of youth to develop Manipur.
Before we wind up the top news headlines once again. Manipur pays tribute to 1891 war heroes. Seven suspected Rohingyas nabbed on Indo-Myanmar border. Anti-illegal migrant special unit in every district of Manipur soon. With that, we've come to the end of today's bulletin. Thank you for watching.